if we have our rows defined, we can go and check our column layout. Using this, you can choose whatever column layout you like and connect it to account schedule. So let's take a look at one of the added examples. We have a net change, we have budgets, we have variance, we have some calculations. We also can use formulas, we also can use some type of amounts here. We can use general ledger entries or budget entries, and if you use formula, we can also use as many mathematical definitions here as we want. Okay, so now let's take a look at existing overview in here. Here you can change your date, and also we can switch to different type of columns for existing account schedule. Of course, we can also change our account schedule. So let's take one of the prepared by the system. So we have those 4 statements. We have balance, we have cash flow, we have income statement defined by the system, so we can easily run it every time we want it. Of course, we can always check amounts in every position. If you want to use some comparisons, for example, you want to compare this period with the previous period, we can modify this column layouts. So let's change it, and we can add new line. Let's call it A1. It will be net change minus 1 year. Then in comparison date formula, you just put minus 1 year. It can be, of course, 1 year. In this case, in this column, minus 1 year will be calculated. So we can now use it in our account schedule. Then we have our net change. If you change the date filter, we will be able to see the values in 2 years. Using this view, you can print your account schedule overview, and you can even change your column layout just for the preview or for the printing. You can, of course, move it to Excel if you want.